The sun's breaking through, painting skies so bright. With every step forward, everything feels right. I'm letting go of shadows, embracing the new. Dancing in the rain, just me and the blue. Together we rise like the morning glow, chasing the dreams wherever they go. Through the storm, I'll rise again. I'll find the strength to stand where I've been. No more fear, no more pain. I'll break these chains, feel whole again. Each challenge I face ignites my fire. In this beautiful journey, I'm climbing higher. The world's a canvas, I'm splashing with soul. Joy in the rhythm, this life makes me whole. With laughter and love, I'm ready to soar. Boundless and free, I'm craving for more. Through the storm, I'll rise again. I'll find the strength to stand where I've been. No more fear, no more pain. I'll break these chains, feel whole again. Through the storm, I'll rise, and in the end I'll touch the skies. Oh, 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 oh. Each challenge I face ignites my fire. In this beautiful journey, I'm climbing higher. The world's a canvas, I'm splashing with soul. Joy in the rhythm, this life makes me whole. Through the storm, I'll rise again. I'll find the strength to stand